Just allow yourself to get in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and breathe slowly. In a moment, we are going to experience imagining floating through a rainbow and incredible sensations associated with each color of the rainbow. For now, spend a little time just allowing your body to relax. Focus your attention on your breathing. Notice your breath and notice the relaxation that comes into your body each time you exhale. Allow yourself to feel that relaxation beginning to spread through your body. Experience the air as it flows in and out of your body. Notice the muscles in your chest relax as you breathe slowly. Now, as you allow yourself to continue to breathe slowly and let yourself relax, just imagine that you are drifting. You're as light as air and drifting. You're very safe and always in control. Let yourself imagine that you are floating high above the earth, just drifting and dreaming. Imagine that you are floating through patches of fleecy white clouds. You feel comfortable and at peace as you float through the clouds. If you accept each detail of the scene as I describe it, without trying to think critically, your imagination will be free to allow you to experience this scene as if you were really there. This is your imagination, and you are always in control and safe. Continue to imagine that you're floating through fleecy white clouds right after a gentle spring shower. Everything is fresh and soothing. Feel yourself drifting on now. As you continue to listen to my voice, drifting slowly and gently through the fleecy clouds, on and on. Soon you come to a beautiful rainbow, shimmering brightly before you. You are so close to the rainbow, and the colors are so vibrant. You see the shades of brilliant red, soft orange, golden yellow, cool mint green, aqua blue, and shadowy violet. You allow yourself to visually soak in each color, and you think how pleasant it would be to drift on through the rainbow, experiencing the colors one by one. You begin to float towards the rainbow, coming first to the band of brilliant red on the outer edge of the rainbow. Feel the energy of the band of red beginning to enter through your feet now, carrying with it a warm glow of strength and power, which spreads quickly up through the calves of your legs. You can feel the strength as it continues to flow up through your legs and on through the rest of your body. Feel it as it pours into every cell and nerve of your body with a warm, rosy glow of energy and strength and power. Breathe deeply and slowly as you continue on through the band of red. Allow yourself to inhale the color and the feelings of strength and power. You feel so in control and so strong. Let yourself experience those feelings fully and completely as you breathe them in and they saturate your body with the warmth and strength and power. Now, as you continue drifting on and breathing comfortably and slowly, the band of soft, peachy orange begins to penetrate through the soles of your feet, bringing with it an indescribably beautiful sensation of complete and perfect peace. Just as the red flowed from the soles of your feet, the soft orange begins to spread through your body until it is flowing to every cell, every nerve, every organ. You feel completely the sense of perfect peace. And as this peacefulness progresses on throughout your body, it blends with the strength and energy you already feel, making you more serenely aware of everything you experience. You feel so at peace and yet so strong and in control. Next, the golden yellow band begins to spread itself throughout your being, filling and flooding you with its delicious golden glow and bringing to your awareness an ever-increasing sense of happiness and well-being. Allow yourself to flow with it. Breathe it in as you allow yourself to be completely immersed in the wave of radiant happiness. Feel yourself blending with it so completely that you begin to radiate back a wave of happiness of your own. You are now beginning to enter the green band, and you begin to experience an incredible sense of pure, refreshing joy. You feel this joy carrying you ever higher as you feel yourself being filled with endless sensations of bliss, wonder, and delight. Allow yourself to breathe it in, blend with it, and savor these delicious emotions, which are now blending with all the other feelings you have gathered in your journey through the rainbow. Now you are beginning to float through the color of aqua blue, which gives an incredible sensation of soothing comfort. You feel as free and fluid as the aqua waters themselves, as if you were floating and blending with the waters everywhere in the world. So soothing and pleasant and comfortable. As you breathe slowly, allow As you breathe slowly, allow the soothing blue to blend with all the other sensations you have experienced. Finally, you enter the violet band on the inner side of the rainbow. It fills you silently as the night falls, extending all of the previous sensations you have experienced to an almost infinite degree. You're now able to step outside of all your everyday thoughts and all your social roles. You slowly drift to a stop within this violet band, and you're filled with the stillness and peace of a warm, mimosa-scented summer night. You can feel yourself within yourself the tranquility of a summer night. You feel so calm and still. Your journey through the rainbow has allowed you to experience the sensations of energy, strength, power, peace, happiness, joy, soothing comfort, and deep tranquility. You will be able to access any of these emotions whenever you need to. All you have to do is imagine the color flowing through your body and filling you with the emotion that you desire. While you're still in this state, choose one of the colors now to flow through you and fill you with the sensation that you wish to experience. Imagine the brilliant red bringing energy and strength and power. The soft orange fills you with incredible peacefulness. The golden yellow creates a wonderful feeling of happiness. The green brings refreshing joy. The aqua blue fills you with soothing comfort. and the violet provides you with tranquility. Allow yourself to focus on one of the colors now. Allow it to fill your being and fully experience the sensation that it brings. Know that you can experience this sensation and any of the others whenever you choose to. All you have to do is allow yourself to focus on the color flowing through your body to every cell, to every nerve, to every part of your body until you are completely immersed in it. The more you allow yourself to be immersed in this experience, the more vivid it will become, and the more you will be able to access it whenever you choose. Now, in a moment, I will count backwards from 3 to 1. As I do, you will become more and more aware until I reach the count of 1. You will open your eyes whenever you are ready, feeling refreshed and energized, calm, and at peace. 3, you're becoming more and more aware. 2, you are more fully aware of your surroundings. 1, you are completely aware and may open your eyes whenever you are ready.